this video, I will show you how can you make this Stone Age man in Adobe Illustrator. To make this, select this rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. Once you are done, you can off the strokes and go to fill and choose any random color you want. Suppose this is the color, then take rectangle tool again and draw a rectangle in this way. When you are done, you can again change the color. Now next step is to take this direct selection tool, select these 2 points, you will get these circles, drag in downward direction to make it curve. Now next step is to make eyes. To make eyes, take rounded rectangle tool and draw a eyes here. To make it visible, you can change the color. Now take any color you like and draw a rectangle here also. This much is fine. Now again take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over here. Now take this ellipse tool to make eyes. Zoom it, press Alt and Shift together. Now select all of this and press Ctrl G to group everything. Now to create the eyebrows, you can again go to rounded rectangle tool. Now to create mouth, again take this rounded rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. To create teeth of it, you can take rectangle tool, select white color and draw a rectangle here. Now this is looking fine. To create the ears, take rectangle tool, draw a rectangle here like this. Then right click it, go to arrange and send it to back. Draw a rectangle. Now take selection tool by pressing Alt and dragging your mouse. You can make it zoom. Now press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to paste in front. Now you can rotate it. You can place the symbol here, but before it, make sure you group it. Make it smaller in size by pressing Alt and Shift together. Now take this rectangle tool, draw a rectangle here. Take direct selection tool, select this point, press delete it from your keyboard and you get the triangle. Now we will copy this. Now in every triangle, we will put this color. Again you can do for this orange color also. Make a rectangle here, then take direct selection tool, select only this point and delete it. You can generate the copy by pressing Alt, selecting both of this together. Take this eyedropper tool and change the color. Now to create the shoulders, you can take this rectangle tool and draw a rectangle here. This much is fine. You can change the color. Now by selecting this, take direct selection tool and make it round from all the corners. Again take this rectangle tool and draw a rectangle in this way. Bring it here. Again arrange and send it to back. Again take this rectangle tool and draw a rectangle here. Select these 2 points and make it round. Now take ellipse tool and draw a ellipse here. These hands are looking fine. Select all of this and make it group. Then right click it, go to arrange and send it to back. Now then again right click it, go to transform, reflect and copy. Now you can put this copy here. Now take this ellipse tool and draw a ellipse here. Now take selection tool, select this part, take shape builder and cut this extra part. By pressing Alt, you can delete it. Now by selecting both of this hand, you can press Ctrl G to group it. Take it to down. Now it's time to make the legs. To make the legs, take rectangle tool and draw a rectangle in this way. Draw another rectangle here. Now take ellipse tool and draw a circle. Again take the rectangle tool, draw the rectangle in this way. Select both of this and cut this part. You will get the semicircle. You can put it here. Now again you can take this color and draw a rectangle here. Now select all of this as well as this. Right click it, go to transform and reflect. Copy, put this part here. You can change this color and this color as well. So now this is looking fine. Now to decorate a little bit, you can have this rectangle tool and draw some rectangles. Now to make the hairs, you can take this rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, take selection tool, rotate a little bit Put this here. You can rotate this one also. This is looking fine. You can change the color, change it, press Ctrl G and place it. Now take ellipse tool and draw a circle here. By these steps we have made this Stone Age man illustration. To learn more tutorials, you can check the more videos in the channel. You can subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section.